Hey, how are you? This is Bill Bierman, instructor of landscape construction and management at Williamson College. And these, our students really have the benefit of learning on world-class equipment. We're really thankful for the administration hooking us up, but we need to teach these students what's out there, the tools in their toolbox. This Aera-Vator for the Ventrac, this area is really poor soils from construction a couple of years ago. Typical. The general contractor left us about a ½ inch of topsoil. It's all terrible. You can see it's just a bunch of crabgrass. So we made a point this year to do some renovations. So a regular core aerator would not have done much on this really hard ground. All right, it was really hard, really compacted, nothing good to work with. So we knew we wanted to get some compost down, some organic material, and do some real top quality seed, some starter fertilizer. We're like, man, what's the best bet to break up the compaction out here? And I truly feel it is the Aera-Vator on this Ventrac. We also have some topography here, which would be extremely difficult for a regular aerator to deal with. So this Ventrac handles the hillside so nicely. It's safe. Guys, you do a phenomenal job. So that Aera-Vator gets down in the ground, fractures the ground, breaks up the compaction, okay, and at the same time it's distributing seed from the seed box. So it's a one-man show, can get all this done. Of course, we spread the compost by hand, but phenomenal machine. They're at Williamson College. We're really fortunate to have it. We can't wait to see how this turf comes together over the covering months. Put some starter fertilizer down, we'll hit it with some fall fertilizer, and I think it'll be looking phenomenal for baseball season. My machine is also not just for severely poor construction situations. We use it on our baseball field, okay? We'll do the outfield with it, get some seed down. So, core aerator, good for established lawns if you're just trying to break up compaction, okay? But this Aera-Vator, phenomenal. I love it. It really is working well on this hard ground. Thanks. See ya.